Welcome to our exploration of chemical changes, an essential part of understanding matter. Chemical changes are fascinating transformations where substances react and form entirely new materials with different properties. Throughout this lesson, you'll discover how matter transforms at the molecular level to create something completely new. A chemical change is a process where substances react to form entirely new substances with different properties. Unlike simple mixing or physical changes, chemical changes alter matter at the molecular level. The original substances are transformed, breaking old chemical bonds and forming new ones. This means you cannot simply reverse the process to get back your original materials. How can you tell if a chemical change is happening? There are four main signs to look for. First, you might observe a color change occurring in the materials. Second, gas production is a clear indicator, often seen as bubbles or fizzing. Third, heat or light may be released during the reaction. Finally, a precipitate, which is a solid substance, might form and settle out of a solution. It's important to distinguish between chemical and physical changes. In a chemical change, a new substance forms with different properties, and the change is usually irreversible. Energy changes occur during the reaction. On the other hand, physical changes keep the same substance with only altered appearance or state. Physical changes are usually reversible, and no new substance is created. Chemical changes happen all around us every day. When wood burns, it combines with oxygen to produce ash and smoke, completely different substances. Cooking an egg involves heat changing the protein structure permanently. Rusting iron occurs when iron combines with oxygen to form iron oxide, that reddish-brown coating you see. Baking bread involves yeast producing gas that makes the dough rise and transform into a fluffy loaf. Let's look at photosynthesis, one of nature's most important chemical reactions. Plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen using sunlight as energy. The chemical equation shows carbon dioxide plus water yields glucose plus oxygen. This remarkable process not only feeds the plant, but also produces the oxygen we breathe. Chemical changes always involve energy transformations. Exothermic reactions release energy as heat or light into the surroundings. Combustion, or burning, is a perfect example where flames and heat are produced. Endothermic reactions work the opposite way, absorbing energy from their surroundings. While melting ice is technically a physical change, many chemical reactions also require energy input to proceed. Chemical changes are essential to modern life and technology. In the food industry, cooking, fermentation, and preservation all rely on chemical reactions. Medicine depends on drug synthesis through carefully controlled chemical changes. Energy production uses chemical changes in batteries, fuel cells, and combustion engines. Manufacturing creates plastics, metals, and countless chemicals through industrial chemical processes. Let's review the most important concepts. Chemical changes create new substances with different properties through molecular transformation. Most chemical changes are difficult or impossible to reverse, unlike physical changes. Energy changes always accompany chemical reactions, either releasing or absorbing heat. Understanding chemical changes is fundamental to comprehending how life works and how we develop new technologies. Chemical changes truly shape our world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.